What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a tutorial and it's going to be a kaboom. Here we go! Woo! Okay, first step of doing a kaboom is just landing on your back. The main thing about a kaboom is the timing with your heels and your back. So once you land on your back, you want to hit your heels off the trampoline a little bit after your back touches. So just show them what it looks like. So you see how he went back and then heels and then his feet went up. So it's gonna take a while for you to get the timing right. So I just would recommend practicing, trying to get the timing correct. You know when you have the right timing, when you hit your feet off, it automatically like just makes you go backwards like this. Like he didn't do anything, it's just the perfect timing and it just makes him go over. Okay, if you don't feel like you're able to make it over, get a friend to double bounce you. So we're gonna show you the difference between a double bounce and without a double bounce. This is without a double bounce. And this one is going to be with a double bounce. So you can see the difference between double bounce and no double bounce. With double bounce, it's a lot easier, so get a friend and have the double bounce you. If you don't have a friend, that's tough. Once you get comfortable with the kaboom, just have fun and do some combos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped you. Hope you learned something new today. Hope you have fun doing a new kaboom, and see you guys in the next video.
Peace out!
I just wanna vibe today, vibe today. Baby, let's cruise, let's ride away.